If you're an Etsy seller who's been struggling with visibility for your shop, stick around. We're going to walk you through exactly how to complete your shop so that Etsy will give you a boost in search. Let's take a look at an Etsy shop and scroll through it and see exactly what we need to fill out, where we need to fill it out, and how we should fill it out in order to optimize your shop. We're going to start right at the top with a shop banner. Having a shop banner can be a really important part of your shop, especially for people who are purchasing on desktop. It should be something that really reflects you, your brand, your products, your color scheme, materials, anything that you think really gets a sense of what your shop is. You can include your shop name if you like. You could include your slogan if you like. But one thing that you should stick away from are QR codes or links or anything that may drive traffic away from your shop. You also want to have a shop logo. So this can be something that is a smaller version of your banner. It could be your shop name. It could be your favorite item in your shop. But you want to make sure that it's crisp, clear, and easy to read if there is any text. Also at the top, you're going to see the shop owner, which is right over there. And it's a picture of our CEO, Anthony, because this is the eRank shop. You want to have either a picture of you or an avatar if you're not comfortable having an actual photo of you there. You also want to have a name. A first name is fine, your whole name if you're comfortable with that. But what you should avoid is your business name. Your business is already going to be listed over there. It's already going to have your shop name. There's no point in having it in two different places. It also gives your buyers more of a sense of who you are as a maker so that they can learn a little bit about the face behind all of your products. You also want to make sure that you have a shop title. This is the line of text that is right below your shop name. Again, you should not repeat your shop name here. You want to give a really quick overview about what it is that you sell. Scrolling down a little bit more, we'll see the shop announcement. This is a dead basic announcement, something that just catches people. Think of it as a blurb. If you were to walk into a retail store, an employee might say, "Hi, how are you? We're having a sale on XYZ today. Let us know if you need any help." It should be something short and concise to that effect. Scrolling down a little more, we'll see your shop sections on the left-hand side. Shop sections can make it a lot easier for buyers to browse your store. We also want to make sure that we're using the featured items area of a shop. So if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see we have 4 items that we've picked here to highlight at the top of your shop. These can be your favorite items, your best sellers, or things that you're looking to offload, things maybe you have on sale. So we're going to scroll down a little bit more to the About section. So this is where you can tell the story of your business, your shop, your items, you as a maker. You also can add your shop story. You want to really share the story of what inspires you, maybe where you find your materials or what your favorite things to work with are. If you've done like craft fairs in the past, or you just want to kind of build a rapport with your shoppers and like with your community. And below that, you can fill out your links. So this is where Etsy does allow you to link to off of Etsy. So you can have Facebook, you can have Instagram, Pinterest, and you can also have your own website here if you like as well. One important thing to note is that you cannot direct shoppers off of Etsy if you sell the same item on a different website if they've already contacted you on Etsy. You also have the shop member section. So this is where you would put yourself. Again, the same photo as used above or avatar is totally fine. There's also an area for production partners. Now, Etsy requires you to list production partners if you use them for items in your shop. Scrolling down a little more are shop policies. Now, this is an area that we very frequently see new sellers miss. It is very important to make sure that you have all of your shop policies filled out, especially if you ship or you sell items to various countries that require things such as privacy policies. If we look at Etsy's checklist for optimizing your shop on Etsy search, we can see right here, number 8 on their bullet list is add clear shop policies. So using the shop policies that they have templates for can give you an additional boost in search. Another area that we see a lot of sellers miss are frequently asked questions. This is a place where you can answer questions that you may receive from buyers. Very common ones are shipping or sizing details, or do you accept cancellations, things such as that. Taking the time to fully complete your Etsy shop can have a huge impact on how shoppers feel about you as a business and how Etsy feels about you as a shop owner. We hope that this tutorial was helpful, and you can find more tips and tricks on our eRank YouTube channel when you sign up for a free eRank account or join one of our social media communities.